Ho, ho, ho!
Hey guys, welcome back to that time of year. What a crazy year it's been. It's been going on forever, yet we're heading towards Christmas. So it's gone like that. But we've had a good time. You know, we've hung out, we've done a lot of things so far this year, so thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing. And you probably know that you're here to get a buzz with your cuz. Now that doesn't always mean that we're going to be drinking something cool. Sometimes that means just hanging out and having a good time. But we're going to be somewhere in the middle here today. So a lot of the things that I've gotten back from you guys are that you don't always drink, or you don't drink beer, or you don't drink wine, and you don't do mixed drinks, and that's all perfectly fine. That's why we're doing a special Buzz with Your Cuz this week. It's going to be 3 sodas and a Christmas near beer. Everybody wins? Or nobody wins, but I think we all win. So let's start off with Santa Clausthaler. Is that great or what? I love that they have jolly old Saint Nick up there. Non-alcoholic limited edition 2020. Clausthaler is from Frankfurt, Germany. And this brewery, Clausthaler, Santa Clausthaler. Oh, I love it. Clausthaler has a number of different non-alcoholic drinks, and they're actually very good. They're all beers. They have a Radler with lemonade. They have a dry dark hopped. I also love that. See, that you have to use a bottle opener for this. You can see there that the line is straight across. I know I've said this before in older videos. When that little dash dotted line there is straight across like it is, that means you're going to need a bottle opener. If it's on a slant, if you see it tapping up, it means you could screw it off so you don't tear up your hand. All right, so let's see what we have here. Holiday brew, 106 calories, 24.5 carbs. Not too bad. Smells like a mixture of cranberry and cinnamon. Oh yeah. That is like holiday in a bottle here. Woo! It has that like that apple cranberry cinnamon mix. There's probably some sort of other spice in here. Maybe it's like an allspice or something, but it's very, very balanced, and it's good. It's not. It doesn't really have that overly hoppy taste to it. Believe it or not, these guys get somewhat of a hop taste out of their other non-alcoholic beers, which we've tried. But this, definitely a holiday treat, something unique. If you do happen to go out and see relatives or friends, if you see this, bring it. I mean, at least you could drive home safely after having a sixer of this. But pleasantly surprised, and not surprised at all. They also, believe it or not, brew to German purity law, 1516. So good product. I love it. Let's move on to another beverage here. I have something, Canada Dry Cranberry Ginger Ale. Canada Dry 1904. They're an old school brand. And I say that because they were just doing ginger ale for years. Now they've started branching out and adding flavors. I've seen blackberry. They do a lot of different mashups inside of the ginger ale, which I think is great. I think ginger ale from Canada Dry is one of the better ones. Let's give this a little pour here. It's nice orangey color. Smells like ginger ale. Oh, it's not bad. If you like cranberry, this is a pretty good ginger ale. You know what I'm thinking? Tito's alert. I kept the cap on. This is the non-alcoholic version. Come on, guys. One day. All right, let's move on. Let's get to another soda. Hey everyone, trying out some new products again. Have plenty of time to investigate things now for obvious reasons. And I found something pretty interesting. Sprite Zero, ginger flavored. There's a lot of things right now that are coming out as ginger. Even ginger ale has a bold ginger flavor option now. So I don't know what's behind it. There's certainly no real ginger in here. I've tried it. It's actually kind of nice, like a different twist on a ginger ale. And I'm talking about the Sprite Zero ginger, which is true. There's no sugar and there's certainly no ginger in here. But the ginger flavor is there. And I think that's what they're after, and a lot of people are getting into it. So if you see it, pick it up, enjoy it. It's a nice little change. We'll see. Hey guys, I got something pretty interesting. Very exclusive, limited time. So exclusive you could just go down to your store and pick it up. What I'm referencing here is cinnamon flavored Coca-Cola. Now, disclaimer, I like cinnamon. I'm a little bit afraid of this. It does say limited edition. It's for winter, obviously, holiday season. Let's open this thing up and have a try. Oh, it definitely smells like cinnamon. Huh. It's actually not bad. Yeah, it's got a very cinnamon flavor to it. It's a pretty good mix, actually. It's very balanced, so it's not too much Coke, not too much cinnamon. You may want to mix this with rum or Jack Daniels or Fireball. That might be good if you're not a straight cinnamon soda person. I don't drink a lot of these weirdo sodas flavor-wise, but this one's actually pretty good. It was worth $2 or whatever it was that they charge for these things, and that's probably about the amount that I can take. I wouldn't buy a 3-liter of this or even a case of cans or anything like that. Single bottle, once in a while, straight up or mix it. Cinnamon Coke, not too bad. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. I hope you subscribed if you haven't already. That could be your Christmas gift to us or whatever holiday you're celebrating, whatever you got to do. Subscribe, like the video, comment below. But let's just review real quick. Santa Clausthaler. We've had Cranberry Ginger Ale, Canada Dry. Sprite Zero Ginger. And Coke Cinnamon. So, got it as holiday as we could for non-alcoholics, so everyone could participate in the holiday fun. And we look forward to seeing you again next week, where we may or may not have. Just tune in, you'll see. See you next week.